Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Want to enable credit card payments on big Cartel websites? In this tutorial we will show you how to set up and accept credit card payment to make it easier for your customers to buy from you. Follow along and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, go ahead and open bigcartel.com. Go ahead and log into your account. As you can see right in front of us, log in and you will be right there. Now how to add basically your credit card or credit card payments on Cartel is pretty simple. First of all, go to here, accounts, and on this accounts area you will find get paid. So you just have to go all the way down, make sure to choose gets paid. So set up your payments options, and as you can see right here you will find several payments gateways, of course depending on your area and what is basically where did you create your account and some other details. So here for example we have Stripe. Stripe isn't available in your country, so we have to sign up. Basically we can only accept payments with PayPal. So connecting with PayPal is pretty simple. You simply have to click on connect PayPal, take you here, put your email, connect it to it and approve it. So this is just as a side information for PayPal. Now how can we have other like payment gateways accepted? So here first of all you have to change your location in currency. So change your currency location, for example here to the US. So let me just start. Next, let's do this. Here I'm going to open fake name generator, and of course guys, do not follow me through this. You have to put your own informations. So I got to put mine, so that is why I am using this one, this method. So there we go. Here's streets, street address, this one. City is basically this one. States is this one, and basically zip code is this one, and this is perfect. Time zone, let's choose LA. So let me just find this real quick. New York. Let's try to find it somewhere in here. Yes. Okay, let's choose this one for example. Verify address, save, and let me just remove this. We can remove this one. Let me just try this one instead, and still we have the same problem. But anyway guys, this is the method that you have to follow. Since I had basically wrong information, that is why I couldn't bypass it, but you guys will have it automatically bypassed since you are going to be using your own informations, and it's going to be accepted of course. Now for the get paid area you will have other options. So let me just show you this real quick. So here we have an article that explains to you how to set up the checkout, which is basically the payments that you can add. So with Cartel you can accept orders throughout your online shop or in person using their app for iOS or Android devices. On the web, customers can pay by card via Stripe or with PayPal, as we saw at the beginning. Cartel shops using Stripe can also offer additional payment methods such as Afterpay and Klarna. You can find more details on that under Stripe payment methods. If you have Stripe enabled, customers with Apple Pay and Google Pay can use it to complete their purchase directly from a product page, in addition to including it as a payment method on the checkout page. In addition to more payment methods, enabling Stripe in your shop also gives your customers access to express checkout. Buyers with compatible devices and browsers can speed throughout checkout using payment method they are already familiar with, saving time and increasing conversion rates in your shop. Express checkout currently supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and link as possible payment options which appear at the top of the page during this checkout process. When a buyer selects an express checkout option, it will submit their pre-saved shipping contact and payment information, allowing them to skip the rest of the checkout page and purchase items in your shop with confidence and ease. If you have PayPal enabled, customers can pay with PayPal credits. Payments you accept via in-person checkout can be proceeded with Stripe or cash. So as you saw, guys, these are the ways that you can add your credit card on BigCartel. So in general, you can add Stripe. This is the main one. So Stripe is basically the main one that will open to you a lot of doors. Now, since I have my country not as US, so I can't really use it from this country. So you can go to Stripe available countries and you will find for example here accept payment from, or here BigCartel. There we go. So payment method BigCartel, and as you can see most of them are basically here. Let me just find Stripe. Yeah, Apple Pay Global, Cash App US, Link, PayPal, Afterpay, etc. US, Affirm, Klarna, US, Canada, Europe, Asia, Visa Global, MasterCard Global, and Global. Everything is global. So basically, when it comes, as we can see right here, so these are the payment processors: Stripe, PayPal. So as you can see here, so MasterCard and Visa card can be used from PayPal, so this is good. So we can use cards such as Visa card, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, Diners Club, China Union Pay, Japan Credit Bureau, and Cartel Bankers can be used as card from PayPal and Stripe. So once you allow one of them, cards can be allowed in your website as well. So this is a plus point that you can use inside of your website, and you can use it as a benefit, so you can have everything boosted within your site and you can have it used with ease. So yeah, this is pretty much it for today's video, guys. It's pretty much easy, nothing confused about it. So try to just follow these steps. They are pretty much easy, nothing complicated that much, and they are pretty straightforward. Nothing is gonna be like confusing you a lot. So you either keep it as simple as it can be, do not confirm anything from these, or simply confirm both of them, and both of them will allow you to actually add a payment gateway that will allow you to use cards in the future payments. So yeah, guys, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.